If you want to find out how one sportswear company makes over $500,000 a month, then you must watch this video because I'm going to do the audit of this website. Hi, my name is Agnes and I am an e-commerce digital marketing advisor. A very well organized website showing plenty of pictures, and there are more colors shown on the product page and show great variety of sizes. Besides, it has a brilliant review system that helps the buyer make the decision quicker. New releases section is great to retain customers for longer, to make them come back for more. The checkout process is broken down into 5 steps, which is a psychology hack that increases sales. Their buyers are mostly from US, UK and Canada. They range from 25 to 34. They run a carousel and video ads. They mention their special offers in their Facebook ads, what creates a sense of urgency. Gymshark has a great number of followers, and at the same time, a great number of influencers build their brand awareness. For more hacks, comment below.